This is Francis Meilland. Look how big.
Not all.
This one shows a little bit more of a pink as its first opening. And in Central Florida, we get a little bit more pink in the winter. It's just pretty. And they're a little bit bigger right here. I'll show you the rest of the bush. I've got a bee that's about to land somewhere. I think he's, oh, it's a pretty big one. Quite impressive with this. And so beautiful. Show you the overall. This has a pretty kind of fresh, citrusy, very bright scent. It's a Francis Meilland. This is December. It's the day after Christmas. And it's just beautiful. Long stem. For me, it's an upright bush with very long stems. This is on a grafted Fortuniana rootstock. It's a Nelson's rose. It's right around 9 months old. Or actually, I planted this, it's probably more like 7 because I put this in a little bit after I started the garden. The whole garden I have is about 9 months old. It flowered most of the summer, similar to what you see here, but a little bit shorter. It seems to get a little bit taller as the flushes go because I don't cut it way back. After the flush, I'll cut it like, say, 18 inches or so. And then it grows from there. Let's see if I have I don't know if I have some of the older ones down here or not. I'll show you the overall bush. So it's a tall, more upright, narrow. It's about 5 feet tall, 2.5 feet wide. The ones at the bottom are, I believe that's a Violet's Pride, the purple one, and then just a knockout, the red. So it's good for mid-border or back, even in the back of a border, on a Fortuniana, because it does grow real tall and fast on Fortuniana roots. I didn't have a lot of leaf drop. It's got a little bit of black spot right now, but it doesn't seem to defoliate the whole plant. Nice, shiny, dark green leaves, and it seems to do really well in Central Florida.